The Thinkware Dashcam F70 Pro brings uncompromising clarity with 1080p Full HD resolution, offering crisp details and clear license plate captures. Its compact design stays discreet, ideal for drivers who want high-quality footage without the bulk. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer footage to your phone for instant access. If you're someone who wants a dashcam with practical features at an affordable price, this could be a great pick. Now let's talk about the standout features that set this camera apart. First up, the Smart Parking Mode. It's a game changer, offering round-the-clock protection even when your car's parked. The camera's motion and impact detection automatically saves a 20-second clip, making sure nothing important is missed. Plus, the Super Night Vision ensures bright, clear images even in low-light conditions. For added convenience, the time-lapse and energy-saving features extend coverage without draining your car's battery, perfect for those long parking sessions. One of the key things to consider is the anti-file corruption feature, which prevents data loss, a critical element for dashcams that need to keep your footage safe. And it's built tough. With thermal protection and a supercapacitor, it stands up to extreme heat, so you don't have to worry about your dashcam quitting on you in the summer heat. The 3-axis G sensor ensures that critical moments are locked into a secure folder, providing peace of mind knowing your footage is safe from overwriting. The setup for this dashcam is quick and easy. It includes a mount, a 12-volt power cable, and a 32GB microSD card to get you started right out of the box. Plus, adhesive cable clips help keep everything tidy and out of the way. This makes it perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who needs a reliable and discreet dashcam on a budget. As for connected control, the Thinkware Dashcam Link app allows easy pairing via Bluetooth, so you can set up the device and download footage in a snap. There's also an optional GPS antenna that adds speed and red light camera alerts with embedded speed and location data for those who want that extra layer of security while on the road. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: 1080p FHD resolution ensures crisp, clear video quality. Smart Parking Mode offers protection while your car is parked. Super Night Vision improves low-light performance. Easy setup with mount, cable, and 32GB card included. Anti-file corruption and G-sensor secure important footage. Connected control with Bluetooth and app for easy transfer. Cons: limited to a 32GB microSD card, which may require more storage for extended recording. No direct support for a larger memory card or cloud storage, which could be a limitation for heavy users. The optional GPS antenna is sold separately, adding extra cost. In terms of value for money, this dashcam delivers great features for its price. The video quality is impressive, the parking mode works reliably, and the extra features like night vision and G-sensor give it a solid edge over similarly priced competitors. Comparison: when compared to other entry-level dashcams, the F70 Pro stands out for its clarity and additional features like Super Night Vision and Smart Parking Mode, which many competitors lack. However, it falls short when it comes to storage capacity and the optional nature of the GPS antenna, which some competing models include as standard. Who it's for: this dashcam is perfect for budget-conscious drivers, rideshare drivers, or new car owners who want a simple, reliable camera that offers solid protection without breaking the bank. It's also great for nighttime drivers who need superior low-light performance, or anyone looking for a dashcam with a no-fuss installation. Conclusion: strong option. The Thinkware Dashcam F70 Pro is an excellent choice if you're after reliable protection with solid video quality at a budget-friendly price. While it may lack advanced storage options, the features it offers, especially for the price, make it one of the better options in its class. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns like this one. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay autovated on the road.